what if I told you I became a Grandmaster by solving the same exact chess exercises over and over again? Yes, it sounds a little crazy. After all, if each chess game is different, why repeat something you've seen before? Shouldn't you practice calculating in unique positions every time? Well, that's true. But there's also a way to train your brain to streamline its calculations. And that's the Woodpecker Method. My friend Hans Tikkanen invented the Woodpecker Method in 2010 when he was training to become a Grandmaster. 7 weeks after he finished using his method, he earned all 3 of his GM noms to earn his title. Seeing his success, I had to try it for myself. And a couple of years later, I became a Grandmaster too. As word spread, others tried it too, with excellent results. Okay, so what is the Woodpecker Method? The first step is to take any large amount of chess puzzles and solve as many as you can in 4 weeks. In my books and Chessable courses on the Woodpecker Method, there are about 1,000. You don't need to do that many, especially if you are a beginner, but I recommend solving at least a few hundred. At the end of the 4 weeks, take a break, a few days at least. Then, solve the same exact problems again, this time aiming to finish them in 2 weeks. You might remember the solutions from before, that's okay, but try to solve them like you're seeing them for the first time. After you finish the second cycle, try solving them in 1 week, and then a few days, and then try solving all of them in a single day. It's not easy work, trust me. I didn't think I was going to make it the first time I tried it, but the results were remarkable. It's because much of chess is pattern recognition. Rather than calculating every single move in a position, your brain looks for ideas and patterns it has seen before first, and they help you calculate faster and more accurately. So by doing the Woodpecker Method, you're building intuition, helping your brain become more efficient in calculation. And that's the Woodpecker Method in a nutshell.